Hi guys, and welcome to Alice Scholar Photography. Now this is a really important video if you are struggling to know how to pose your model. So I have professional model Hannah back with us today, and together we're going to give you some tips and tricks to get the most out of your photo shoot posing a model. So we're going to go through some common problems you may find, and Hannah's also going to give us a few solutions to them. So the first one I find is when if they are new to modelling, or it's a family photo shoot or something like that, everyone stands like this, and what happens is as your arms are all together you actually look bigger than what you really are. So Hannah's going to give us a few poses and explain why these will actually help you with your shapes. So Hannah, how would you correct that pose?
So you want to think about the shapes that your body is creating. So you want curves in your body, and then you're thinking about triangles with your arms. So just literally even just a slightly bringing up your arms to create a triangle either side just makes you look a little bit slimmer and creates those nice shapes. Put your weight into one hip, gives a nice curve. So you could do that with legs like this, legs together. So it's all about curves in your body and triangles in your arms. So
should we do some photos to show everybody?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So here we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So can you guys see a massive difference now from the common problem you actually find to the simple suggestions Hannah has now given everybody? Another common problem you may find is, what do models do with the hands? Because they're quite clumsy looking thing, and when you think about it, your hand is the size of your face. So if models are doing poses like this or like that, it can be very distracting in the photo. So Hannah, I don't know if you've got any suggestions of how we can fix hands in posing.
Yeah, so I would bring the fingers quite close together, keep them very relaxed. Think about maybe sort of steps up.
Okay.
Always show this side of the hand rather than this side because it's smaller, and keep it away from the face rather than on the face.
Okay, shall we do a couple of examples?
Okay.
There we go. So I'm going to start from 3 1/4 length, and then we'll start coming in closer for headshots as well. Yeah, so we can definitely see the ladder effect there as well. Perfect as well. So just come in and I'll do some headshots as well. Perfect. There we go. Another problem you may face is if anyone's got a little bit body conscious, such as myself. You may have noticed in past videos I have a deformed ear, and I've got a perfect ear on the opposite side. So I prefer to be shot this side of me. So if you do have a model who may be a little bit conscious of themselves, it may be worth asking, do they have a favourite side? Now I know it's your left side, which is why we've also put this ox box on the left, so we have a broad lighting of Hannah to highlight the side she prefers and give her also a little bit of confidence while shooting. So if we do some poses, you probably notice Hannah will sort of slightly turn to the left, and we're getting the best photos because we are working with what she feels confident doing. Now if you are like me and you do have an ear missing or something missing, don't be ashamed to actually tell people, look, I prefer to be shot at this angle, because if you feel awkward on a shoot, the photos will come out awkward.
Just another thing, I would always consider hair. I'd pull it back away from the light and from the camera. It just creates more shape and opens up this side of the face a little bit more.
Shall we take some photos to also show it?
Okay.
All right, so there we go. We'll just take a few. I see exactly what you mean now as well. Perfect. Oh, that one didn't fire, that one did. There we go. Cool. Perfect. Cool. Hannah, thank you so much for also helping with this video. Guys, I hope that has helped a little bit for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one.